Live from Flatbush. Double park and say me I make a walk. It's a long time now, and then I see me I make a walk, right? All these I drive done. I take a walk. The bus man and funky man like that. See me? What we have on the streets here, we got some bagels, cakes. A lot of kids staying at the rim. Oh. So it's a whole lot of sales. Okay. If my cat gets something like this, I'm gonna love it. So them having at the store, bro. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. We need to get my phone and bring the car up a little more. Flatbush. Actually, let's get my phone for a second. Remember the drill store was over there. If you know, you know. Yeah. Yeah, more you do for me. Smash the like and subscribe, join the family. Yeah. Yo, sir. I gotta show you something. Gotta show you something. I have to show you something. This store, I'm gonna show you a store. Hold up, hold up. Look. Look. It's right here. Look. I'm gonna show you, right? It's right here. You see? You see the store? Oh, oops, sorry. I'm gonna go in so you can see. Make sure my car locked though. Hold up. Let me make sure my car closed. Hold on. Hold up. Oh, they got, look. They got games. It's like a wholesale. You see? Yeah, you got fan carpet. You need carpet?
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
How much?
How much for the carpets?
Which one you want?
Which one you like? You like this? This one right here, boss.
That one?
Yeah.
120.
120.
No tax, nothing. What's up?
120, no tax. That's good.
How is it?
I can see. You got cushions and stuff like that. Pillows, you see? You got pillows, couch, microwave, stuff like that. Yo, how much is that computer chair outside?
Is this one here?
Yeah, that one right
The
there.
gray, right?
Yeah.
You want it now?
Alright.
Very good.
How much price? 60?
That's a great deal, my brother. Those
I know.
Because I said the 120.
Hold on, let me go
Why
check it out.
ask you? Are you going to take it now?
Hold on, let me go see. Let me check it out. Hold on. That's when I came in here. I see. I said, I gotta check this out.
No problem.
Yeah, bro. You said 60. Look up. Look. Garfield. Hey, Garfield. Yeah. Yeah. This chair right okay. This the chair right here. What's going on over there? We got action. Oh, it's wet. 60. What do you think about this for streaming? Hold up. What's going on up there? Let's see, we got MVision outside you know. We need to see action. We got action right now on Flatbush. Well, go on from Flatbush. We're chasing, oh, it's a car chase. So they ain't pulling over. We have a live car chase. Oh, it's fire. People Flatbush turn up. We got CBD, smoke shop. All of that. Yeah. Flatbush live in the evening still, but I just saw the thing go, you know the thing go, man. Yes it! We're there, we're there. Matching low. Matching low stars. Look at Garfield. How we are doing to door, Garfield? Hey, Garfield outside. What you doing outside? Yeah. Garfield out the door, huge. Let me go show you this one, bro. Fish market. Oh, look. Across the street, real swift. Real quick. Made shot right now. Right now, let me see. Chopping into some chicken. You get the ticket there. Alright. So come get your meat. Yeah, it's the best meat. Yo, look at the cow foot. Cow foot, goat leg, cut up goat, goat shoulder. See the beef tripe sub. Yo.
That's it.
Look. That's the beef tripe. So, if you watch my car, you remember tickets man them on the road, right? Good so far. Let's go check out that one, cause I don't want to get a ticket in there, bro. See me? Better we get some views on the road, G. You see me right now with that Domino's, you know. See me? With that Domino's right now, and I see what's good for Flatbush. That is it. So, as I said, smash up the like and subscribe right now. Don't wait. Yes, right there. Your YouTube. Whoa! Rainy day. The cameras them up nice. Yeah. You alright now? If you can find some food I know I have the munchies, yeah, fuck. That's it. I tell you, munchies is real right now. So, no thing going on. If you're not consume, you can't live, you know. You have to consume to survive, right? So that's where I'm at right now. I gotta consume so I can get my energy up. Delivery man, I got through do him thing. I see the people need them food to consume. That's what I talk about. Yo, we are about to walk the streets and do some nice vlogs too, you know. Right? Yeah, we just need the right weather. Because for some reason, I know too much people on the streets. I don't know if I do a boring vlog where it be like, yo, I'm the only person outside. Nah, G. You need to see people on the road. All of them things, you see me? People feel up on the road. How am I going to interact with people if no one is on the street? People don't like to see boring vlog. No? But that's what the thing said. And the rain a fall every minute. So, I don't know, girl. It's just rain. Rain, rain, rain.
I think it's March, there's a half day, like right now.
By the Fento stop. But so far so well, I mean I see no ticket man I pass through. No walking, none driving. That's good. Can't even cry about that. Yo, big up the Drizzy walking TV. See the dog in Colombia. So yes, that's right. The dogs them outside of the numbers. People, subscribe right now. That we're talking about that Chinese store right now. This China cook up some wicked food inside there, you know. Yeah. Talk about that. I want to feel for some Chinese food.